Dear friends, you want to know how to breathe freely and learn how to keep your nasal passage clean? So here it is. Jalaneti, a yogic cleaning of your sinuses and upper respiratory tract. Jala means water and iti means to guide. Jalaneti means guiding water through the nasal passage to clean them. It is a natural technique used by the yogis to stay away from the disease and most importantly to use breathe well for the yogic practices without any blocks. It is also about nasal hygiene, just like brushing teeth is about dental hygiene. It is a technique used to clean the sinuses. The sinuses are connected system of your hollow cavities in about an inch across. Our cheekbones hold maxillary sinuses. A sinus cavity get clogged with impurities which may cause infections and the problems. Nasal hygiene is very important as it is linked to many conditions like sinusitis, migraine, allergies, asthma, and this has to be done in a daily routine. This technique uses water to purify and clean the nasal part right from the nostril to the throat. Jalaneti is one of the 6 purification procedures or Shatkarmas mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradapika. So let's understand first what do we need to perform a Jalaneti. A neti pot, a pinch of salt of water, lukewarm water. A neti pot is usually small and has a long spout on one side, which is small enough to be inserted gently in one of the nostrils during the process. Let's understand the technique. Take a proper distance between the 2 feet, keep your legs apart, bend slightly forward and turn your nose upper side. Before that, fill the neti pot with the warm water of a temperature suitable for pouring into the nose. Mix the salt to the proper proportion of 1 level teaspoon for a half a liter of water. Mix the salt thoroughly. Taste the water and spit, adjust if not correct. Fully mix and dissolve the salt. Place the neti cone of your neti pot into the right nostril, sealing it to the nostril with a few twists and slight pressure. Try to point out spout straight up in the line with the nasal passage so as to block the tip of the nozzle by inside the nose. Open your mouth and breathe gently through the mouth. Do not sniff, swallow, talk or any heavy movement of air through the nose while water is flowing through. Before changing sides, blow out gently through both the nostrils to clear the water and mucus from the nose. It is important that you do not blow hard at this point or you will send water up into the ear tubes and sinuses. All that needed is a couple of slow, soft bowl out into the sink to remove the water in the nose. Repeat the steps as performed just now on the both sides. After doing a both step is still a mucus blockage, the whole process may be repeated several times until it cleans. If you regularly need to do several pots to effectively clear nose mucus, it is easiest to mix several liters of solution into a bowl beforehand. Now, let's understand the benefits of Jalaneti. Daily practices helps to maintain a nasal hygiene by removing the dirt and bacteria trapped along with the mucus in the nostril. It soothes the sensitive tissue inside the nose, which can assuage a bout of rhinitis or allergies. It is beneficial in dealing with asthmatic conditions and making breathing easier. It reduces tinnitus and middle ear infection. It also helps to abate sinusitis and migraine attacks. It can also alleviate upper respiratory complaints like sore throat, tonsils, and dry coughs. It can clear the eye ducts and improve the vision. So what are the precautions to be done while performing Jalaneti? The nose should be dried properly after the process. People with high blood pressure should be very careful during this part. Take care that you do not leave any water in the nasal passage as it might cause an infection. Like any other yogi practices, learn it from an expert practitioner. That is most advisable. So Jalaneti goes beyond nasal cleansing and helps in aligning your body, mind and souls. Hence, it should be practiced daily and not only when one has a nasal blockage or cold. Thank you.